Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. Today I'm going to talk about the Spigen Ultra Hybrid black cover case for my iPhone 11. This is one of the best cases which are available in the market for your iPhone 11. If you are planning to buy any cases, I highly recommend checking out this particular case. And it comes with the transparent back and sort of a bumper. Let me just quickly open it. It is one of the best cases for your iPhone. So technically Spigen is well-known company for having the cases for your iPhones. By the way, I'm not being sponsored by Spigen or anyone else. I just thought of unboxing it and using for my iPhone. So since I'm going on a long trip, and a bit of a protection would be necessary. Usually I never use any cases with my iPhone, but this is one of the premium cases which you can buy in India, which is available on Amazon. I'll be providing a link in the description below. Okay, so it is clear coat plastic, sort of it's like a transparent thing, and it's not glass, it is plastic, and it is surrounded by a bumper. So let's see if we can just remove the casing. So, and it have this nice cutout for the power button. Let's see what we have on the next side. It is again the volume buttons and that silent mute switch cutout. So this is the case for my iPhone 11. As you can see, my iPhone 11 is in this shiny nice thing. So let us just install it. By the way, please remove, if you're getting it for the first time, please remove all the transparent covers and all. So and the fit and the finish is good. Let me just remove this particular plastic. It is sort of a bonded adhesive. I recommend removing this before even installing a case. And let me just brief you through all the specs of this. So let's see what I can find. It's a hybrid case with that bumper protection, and this is really annoying to remove it. I recommend removing this when you're getting the case itself. The fit and the finishes is quite good. It's one of the sort of a rugged cases for your iPhone. Please hit the like button if you like this particular video and share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed to this particular channel if you want to see such type of content, or maybe any other accessories you want me to review for your iPhone. The build quality is quite good, guys, and it is not like like it is properly hugging your iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.